What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of one of the most popular floor plans in the entire Class C motorhome industry. This is the 2026 Freelander 26DS, and I think this is extremely popular because it's very rare to get full separation between bedroom and bathroom that is still functional and flows really well. There's really nothing in this that screams red flags to me. If you're a couple traveling on the road, if you need the occasional grandkid to come with you, everything is just spaced out pretty darn fairly. You're also going to see you get a really nice size awning for some good clearance if you guys are out here hanging out, outdoor TV to watch the game, outdoor kitchen if you want to do a little grilling. There's just a lot to like about this camper. So if you don't mind, drop a comment and let me know what you think. I'll have all the specifications, length, heights, tank sizes, awning sizes down in the description, and also a link for a written tour to my new website, thervhunter.com, baby. Trying to get a little bit of blogging going. But right here, you got the 30 amp solar charge controller. So I think you got a 200 watt solar panel up on top, battery disconnect, you know, the auto detect for the fuse box. That's all the boring stuff though. Let's go get in here and show off the beauty of this bad boy. I mean, look at how good looking this thing is. This is going to be in the Arcadia interior decor with the walnut Don wood grain. I like that. I think that just sounds really nice too. That's some pinkies up stuff right there. Walnut wood grain, Arcadia. But you got your slide out here. You got a slide out here in the bedroom, bathroom over here. But you can see there's a good walking space, but there's also good separation. This is like a studio apartment on wheels. And what's cool too is there's going to be two ACs in this model, both of which have heat pumps too. So talk about saving a little bit of money down at the campgrounds. 12 volt refrigerator on this slide. So you can see it's a little bit lifted for easier access to your freezer and to your refrigerator. You also get some storage that continues going down, obviously, as you can see with the pull-out drawer down below. The kitchen, we're going to get back to here in a second, but you can see there's a lot going on there with the flip-up countertop, you know, as well, to kind of help out with the shortcomings, I guess you could say, of the countertop space. You're also going to see, you got yourself a little puppy bowl right there. Gotta love that. So I think that's pretty darn neat. Place where you can sit down, have a meal, play some cards. You got a little bit of overhead storage as well. 5G. You can get, you know, call up like AT&T or Verizon. You got your gateway 5G right there. But notice how I am hands-free on the strut system. So, you know, babe, if you're watching, I love you. All the windows here are going to open up. And then you have some really good, comfortable chairs here too as well. So you got your heating, you got your vibrate, you got in and out. You know, you got a little bit of everything, including a place for all your wife's crystals right here. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Also, I love those LED lights. I just think that's pretty darn cool. Both of these chairs, by the way, swivel around too, which is nice. You can see backup camera. You can see right here. You got your touch screens for your radio, classic E450 chassis, but you're also going to get a 800-pound weight capacity here on this, and this section is obviously removable. Oh no, I'm hurting the little bear right there. I'm sorry, little buddy. Let me give you, oh yeah, you shake your little paw right there. Ah. But you can see, I mean, great place to do some sleeping. You got a TV that comes out on a swivel for some good viewing. This is just a little safety net, I suppose, to keep this thing from, I guess, I don't know what it's for. But then you also have your mirror there too. It just rained. It's getting kind of stuffy in here. I'm sweating my biscuits off. I just started the like the GLPs or whatever. I started that yesterday too, so might be sweating from a little bit of anxiety from that. But I'll let you guys know, you know, how that is going. You got the 3-top burner to whip up all the fixings. You'll have the convection air fryer microwave. You also see you got the stainless steel bowl with the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. You also got yourself a little pop-top tower for, you know, some power. So you got your USB, Universal C. Let's see if my buddy's still out here. I just saw him wandering around. Going to the Cubs game with him tomorrow. Pretty darn excited. The homie got us some field passes. Stoked about that. So definitely got to make sure he's having a good time. Right here you got yourself all your different tank fills, your generator, you know, your Suburban where you can control your AC. And then of course that Fogatti is located, you know, right there as well. But look at that. What a nice closet. Love to see it. Love to see it. And then let's go into the bedroom here. Let me flip through. Ba-da-da-da-da. I'm loving it. You got yourself a queen bed. It also looks like you might have, what is this right there? Little 12-volt power. Queen bed, overhead storage, a little bit more over there. Again, another heat pump there on the AC. And then you have the porcelain foot flush throne with the counter cut out, so that way you can sit down as a bigger person and be all right. Plus you have the backlit mirror. Perfect place to show off the old bowling gun, baby. Oh, look at that. A little definition getting in there. Has the gym been paying off? I'm actually gaining weight. I've been hitting the gym like 4 or 5 days a week for the last like probably 5 months. I've actually gone up 20 pounds, and I am eating more, I'll be honest with you. But it's a little discouraging, but I'll tell you, the muscles are getting bigger. Heck, about 6 months ago, I could hardly lift I had like 200 pounds or whatever, and I just benched 285 the other day, so that's pretty darn snazzy. But all right, guys, let's head around the outside. Probably only spend about 2-3 more minutes here on this bad boy, but drop a comment. Let me know what you think. If you guys are still here, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button for me. I would appreciate it. But again, 2026 Freelander 26DS, 450 chassis. We kind of already went over that. I'll show you where the camera is for the back. But nothing too crazy going on. Nothing that's going to hurt you on the price. Nothing that's going to embarrass you when you're driving on. It's a very clean, crisp exterior look to it. I also love, I should have popped those things on, but I love the fact they got the accent lighting right over there too. I just think that is such a clean, crisp kind of look for you. That TV is going to be a smart TV. So, you know, it's got Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Disney, the works. The Fogatti, if you're not familiar with it, basically as long as you have propane, you have endless water. And then they're also using the Furion. You notice how it's got the, for the furnace, you notice how it's got those 4 screws. You can pop off that front. It's a little bit easier to access for your maintenance. But they all kind of do the same thing. But I like the fact that it's easier to get to if something happens. Just kind of a little creature comfort there for you. You can set up the grill there. I mean, there's not too much to go over that. You like eggs, you like bacon, you like burgers. Maybe you're vegan and you want some veggies. You got plenty of places to put it. The bumper is going to be detachable too, which is pretty nice if you're, you know, conscious about maybe space to fit it into a garage. You can pop that off and save yourself about 5 inches. Right here is going to be your backup camera. So again, that's going to be in that, what's traditionally a rear view camera. That's going to be where you're going to see that right there. And then of course you have the Lippert on-the-go ladder system to get on top of your fully walkable roof. You know, check your seals, check your slides, make sure everything is on the up and up. They already have slide toppers installed, which is nice. So you don't have to worry as much about the debris. They're using the slim racks too, which I like to see that. Boom. Look at all the storage you get in this thing. So that's kind of surprising. They use some of that under storage from the bedroom to give you a lot more on the exterior. So drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Would you rather have the storage on the inside or the outside? Personally, I think it's kind of nice to have some buckets and all of that to get it going, especially with the fact that you have those big closets on the inside. Right here is going to be your docking station. So you got your outside shower, city water connection, black tank flush, you know, your 30 amp connection there too, which is really nice. The fact that it's 30 amps with the 2 ACs. So it's got a little, you know, kind of easy draw situation going on there. And again, remember, it's got the heat pump. So 4 sources of heat on this thing. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2026 Freelander 26DS. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you.